Good afternoon. If I'm doing no wrong, today is the 1st, June 2025, 11 hours, 10 minutes, Rio de Janeiro, Seward City. We are moving to the tiny city and have our, off season. The risk report 2025, tracemay.blogspot.com is delivered on time. It's conclusive since 2022. The extra overtime audit going in private living with issues in privacy under suppression and so the interests on it. One of them is have the case without cognitive bias perpetrated by specific hands-on department. The second is make decision regularly based in a regular cognitive process, right? We had the codification, the optimizations of values. We could observe some specific patterns that indeed drags and bring together corporative sector corrupted and public sector corrupted, or even the international sector with local distortion based on corruption of public service and corporations, right? The relation debt and credit, of course, that will bring this, because an offshore business isn't a business. You can bring your results. You have no conditions to accomplish your own law and constitution. And the conspiracy to do the conformance indeed go through conjuring practices and treasonous, undeniable acts. But the legitimacy as vertex up, down, which implies the corruption, but brings more insecurity, especially because there are no assignment or prerogative for criminal groups at the architecture of power. Previously defaulted the dismiss, claimed the solution by me with capital penalties properly applied, defaulted the second time. It's a renounce against the power. The power remains, but you renounced the use of regular power. Someone will use against the object. Me, capital penalties properly applied, interval set, segmented, regressed, codified with specific heads, 3 trillion investment as extra production of bombs, USA, Nazaré, first group, US bombs, suggested Ragnarok, Nazaré is Portuguese, big bullets NATO. It's delivered on Embassy Portugal in United States because United States got, under probation as not reliable soil by many situations. We could observe that Brazil-USA Security Forum, the attempt to set a unique space or environment for criminality by the corruption of both, set an institutional weakness of both. I played by the strength, I played by the book, I played by law. We achieved, as task force, the evidences converted into probation against a statehood using a criminal system. We unveil this at the criminal system, right? Because you crossed the lines, making entries on my space, hurting my privacy and issues in privacy after across the private living to get in touch that are not your concern, right? When you take a look, please, at the Brazilian Constitution, Article 4, Clause 9, it's told that the Republic Brazil that is bring some way the democratic institutions, the justice, the government, the representatives and Congress in all levels, and so the state as the military forces, 142, under the security group, the prosecution, 129, and the judicial power, 109, into the development of mankind. But if they run and rule the system for criminal purpose, considering peers on it, it's not gonna happen. You will check that the Constitution, Brazil Article 109 says that the federal judges, in general, are very corrupted judicial system. 109 clause number 5 and 4. It's the crimes, considering the Security Forum, as political crimes and things like this, belongs to the federal justice, right? When you take a look at the law 8002, you will check there that are the crimes against the state and the order, social and political. You observe that on Article 41, Article 41, it's told that the specific crimes belong to the military justice federal. The Supreme Court has no assignment to do this kind of judgment. It's on Article 102. The clause you could have for conflict of assignments maybe it's on Article 102, right? Clause there's no way. 102. Please take a look. 102 clause number 3 letter A, right? Then we will have the intervals. The first interval we're gonna have is that Brazil, right, got extensions of activity as corruption. And corruption drags peers on west, on east, because you had intervals inside the Brazil. Right? The first movement of the map. The fails in Brazil got unveiled as criminal purpose. The ties we have by the empty interval drags the east, the west. Right? In other words, they also have criminal purpose, at least as criminal association. Right? This gives me the criminal purpose, which, as you can observe, that I will call as the function not regular presented, the activity as department and not regular presented inside a system. Can be my global system, can be my domestic system. In other words, we are having an exponential behavior of risk, which implies the negative behavior as security and other things. Confirmed. Yes. not yes. Right? Right. But this kind of thing only happens inside the institutional system. Am I telling any lie? If the institutional system isn't a democracy, right, because the freedom exists, you must have the freedom to express. You can't shut down the communication, do this kind of thing, but inside an institution, even with freedom, you have limits of many things. In general, by law, by the mission state and premises disrespected to keep this kind of criminal practice. Right, right. So, if this happened inside the institutional system, considering the East, the West, and both dragged in Brazil as angle stone. Right? Right. And this kind of brings the interval empty, unveiling a statehood corrupted with criminal purpose undenied. And all this as a situation as unique interval that we are considering closed here, but opened here and opened here, which implies that the corrosion argument drags two others for the qualification by criminal association. Which is a crime. When you do the suppression of the private living to get in touch with the issues, or even setting a reality show on it, the audience on West, on East, and the audience on West and East got on criminal association and economic espionage by these heads that set, for instance, the reality show, suppressing your privacy, private, and hurting issues in privacy at your own private living to get this. If you had any kind of gain, you had white-collar crime, right? The heads are supposed to at least have the imprisonment by the interest hurt on it, right? It's the Drager effect. For instance, the audience is for sure at economic espionage and criminal association, right? Them all are, and like all other crimes, convicted summary by criminal association, because this happened inside the institutional system, considering the East, the West, and Brazil, right? In other words, everybody concurrent here in Brazil, right? If you set the division, we'll check that you have the West, the East, and the Brazil with the corruption that got what? Enlarged, dragging both nowadays as a statehood. But in the past, as a criminal system, as interacting, they got associated and enlarged. Now they must face the consequence of the association having the enlargement of the consequence against them, right? 0 up to 164 trillion against the statehood, 0 up to 60 billion against the seats involved that this statehood hosting this kind of activity codified from this point, unveiling that the power misuse is an excused act. If someone got that at the least procedure that you consider due to obtain an advantage, it's power misuse. We are reported to the International Criminal Court, OAS, the suppression of rights, including the right as cognitive process regular from private living with issues in privacy, to ensure your right and obligation as make decision previously defaulted in all states, with second therefore as renounce of the power that remains as a implicit resignation of the misuser, explicitly made by this effort with the evidence we brought against the statehood to claim the capital penalties. One more time. Against the heads, public and corporate. The director, for instance, of reality, that got involved with the organized crime, failed, and in the moment will suffer the consequence, bring the relatives and the family to suffer the consequence, like a wife got fucked by a horse. The organized crime has no obligation to follow the law and can broadcast this on Happy New Year's Day 2026, right? Or fucked by multiple dogs. They don't have this obligation. It's recommended to them act by law to avoid more losses. This credit will charge them, keep the financial research, exposing offshore business, seizuring the data, financial, everything, and keep until be totally satisfied. Because it's legal, has legitimacy to do, and so the interest confirmed. Right? If the family is the base of society, and this statehood do not respect the family, in a very momentous criminal system, isn't strange. They do not respect any state, because the family is the base of society. If you do not respect the premise, how will you respect the total composition? It's impossible. Another probation. At least one state of 197 hurt by this statehood must apply the capital penalties against the offenders. Was claimed by me. The second renounce as residual power implied that it's explicit the renounce of the power remains. So I'm using by legitimacy against the object to apply the capital penalty, like an order. Now you must execute. Have a terrific Sunday.